Feel uninvited.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with RPGShow once more. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I must tell you, and I'm being brutally honest. RPGShow has definitely worked its way at the top of my list with being one of my favorite wig companies. You understand? Like, you guys, I do a lot of wig videos. You guys know. You can just tell some of my favorites. I have to declare it today. I'm just always so pleased with them. It's the same packaging as usual, has RPGShow branded. As usual, giving designer vibes, the tissue paper and stuff. Before we get into the wig, what else we got in the box? Oh, we got a nice scalp-like tone wig cap here. I'm gonna actually use this for today's install. I'm gonna put that on. We got another wig cap which is not the same tone, it's a bit lighter, but this one is perfect for me. I love this. I got another one of these flyweight tamers. All right, so I was wondering why the box felt so heavy. I got another one of these amazing magazines. Oh my gosh, I got one of these the other day and I was just so pleased. So really nice pictures. I just love how professional they are. Like, they're giving you guys a full-on magazine, you know? Like, it's so nice. Beautiful females. It's just really nice and official. Look at that. Nice bod. So beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And the final thing in today's box is, one of these RPGShow storage bags. This is what we're working with. A nice transparent Swiss lace. This is all I've been getting from them and I love it. I love the vibe. It's lightly pre-plucked. If you want to go in, you can pluck it more, but I won't be touching it any further because it's really nice and flat in the front already. And I know once it's laid and melted, it's gonna look so natural. It's already pre-bleached and tinted, so it looks amazing. It has extra elastic inside the cap and a total of 3 combs. So that's the construction. It does have a nice departing area, so that's a plus. I just love the Swiss laces because the lace is so flat and look really realistic. Now you see the tone that we're working with today. I've never tried this. This is like oh my gosh, it's like a dark brown but ash streaks, like ash silver blondish streak. You see these waves? Oh my gosh, it's giving. It is definitely giving. I love it. It's not like it's not the silkiest, like the texture is not the silkiest. It's giving like, that strong Brazilian vibe. It's on like a coarser body wave side, like when you get the traditional Brazilian hair. This looks so good. The body, the movement, I love it. I love it. I'm going to put all the specification in the description box. So the length, the density, the direct link to the wig, everything is going to be listed down there. I love the tone. I'm so excited to try out something new. I love the color job. Love it. Love, 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 love it. It is different. I've always gotten like highlighted blonde streaks, but this is giving like highlighted blonde with like silver. It's like mixed with blonde and silver. I don't know how to explain this color, but all the specifications will be in my description box. So excited. Let me stop my rambling and jump into putting this on. I don't even think I'm gonna need to do anything to these body waves because it already looks so effortless and perfect. That nice effortless wavy vibe. I love it. Like, you didn't have to do much. I love that look. So I'm just gonna remove the excess as usual. So what I want to do though, before I proceed with like laying this wig and stuff, I just need to point out to you that, guys, that this, you don't need to go in with glue or any form of adhesive to lay this wig. You could go ahead and do it glueless, and I've done like a full-on detailed glueless wig video already, so you guys can check that out. Like when it comes on to these type of laces and stuff, especially, like they're amazing for me personally. If I definitely wanted to go out and not apply any adhesive to my wig, it would have to be a really nice transparent Swiss lace wig like this, because it's very realistic looking, like super realistic. So I'm just cutting away the excess there, as you know, and it's looking so good. Next thing with these kind of laces, you don't need baby hairs, okay? You do not need baby hairs. So, and the reason why it's so much more natural, I've mentioned this in multiple of my transparent Swiss lace wig videos. Like usually for the knots, they put like 3 to 4 hairs in one knot, but for these specifically, it'd be like 1 to 2 hairs. So it's really not a lot, so that makes it lay way flatter and looks way more realistic. So I'm going to go ahead and use some glue. I'm not gonna do a lot of layers though, but I just needed you guys to know that it looks good. I would say if you love like a deep graduation, you could go in and just be very careful, because the lace is definitely more delicate. You can tear it easily, so be careful when handling this lace. As I say, you really don't need to do anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually use some glue to apply today's wig. Of course, you know, you have to cleanse the area that you're applying the glue, because you want it to look, you don't want to apply glue onto, you know, any residue that might be on your skin.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
It's looking real good. Such an easy install. And that's the thing, when you apply a wig with glue, the facelift is just amazing. Right off the bat with this kind of lace, you know that you don't need to do baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of lay back everything to the back. Like, I think I'm going to reposition my parting, because it's not all the way in the center, but I'm wondering if I really want to do a center part. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the center because it's a nice deep part. So for the edges, I'm gonna keep it real sparse, because that's the mood I'm in. But you do not need to do any baby hairs if you do not want, okay? No baby hairs needed. So I'm just gonna move on to using my flyaway tamer with my hot comb to kind of just lay everything flat.
Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me,
So happy about this. It's so pretty. The soft waves are in there. I'm getting minimal shedding, so I'm definitely pointing that out so you guys know, like, the waves are definitely still in there. They haven't fallen. I love that. It's very effortless. I'm going to straighten this parting a bit because I don't feel like it's all the way straight. So
that's nice.
yeah, different.
Subtle,
It's
yeah.
like blonde with that hint of like ashiness.
This is, but I don't like black hair, but when I wear that area because it's not loud enough for my way. It's just nice. really nice. Some of the red, some of the here look like it have a tint up.
So, but ash look.
Yeah.
And you see this nice deep parting, guys. It is so gorgeous. Okay, guys, I changed my top. Look at the hair. I don't need to do any, I don't need to recurl it. This is, I don't want it to be too precise. I don't want it to be too, you know, this messy, effortless, loose wave vibe is definitely what I'm going for. It looks so good. So good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure, like I redefined the parting, you know, my little concealer trick. And of course I use my hot comb to lay everything super flat. It is laid, okay? Laid. I'm gonna be sure to drop the link, as I said earlier on in the video. I'm gonna drop the link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. It's giving, you know, that nice loose wave sexy vibe. It's so nice. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig install. Shout out to RPGShow once more. It's so flat. Like, talk about facelift, guys. It's giving. Okay, 10 out of 10 would recommend. As I said, the texture of the hair is not super silky. You know, it gives that natural kind of vibe in terms of the feel, like, you know, it is human hair, it is virgin hair, you know. Also, it does have a bit of shedding, so those are things to note. The density, I feel like, is perfect, okay, perfect. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's wig look video, and don't forget to like, also subscribe if you're not subscribed. Go ahead and check me out on my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. Check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and big up on yourself.